Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Enhancements. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the clutch, and a very simple thing that you can do and check regularly every day. So stay tuned and we'll get right to it.
250 is big like
Here we have a Suzuki GW250, and the client came in for some service and maintenance, and we have a very loose clutch here. You can see the lever moves quite a bit, and it's not engaging the clutch properly, or not fully engaging the clutch when you press the lever. So there's too much slop, and we're going to adjust that. On this particular bike, we have a little rubber housing, and we're going to pull this back. And here we have here's the main reason why the clutch lever is very loose. You can see all this play here. It's no good. And if you take a look at this, the lock nut is not even locking. It's all loose. So all we got to do is pull this out to extend the jacket, and you'll see the gap here close up. And right about there. And you get about 1/8 of an inch of play, and then you can take this nut and lock it into place, and it's as simple as that. And now you've got full engagement, better travel, and full pull on your clutch cable. Throw back your boot, snap it into place, and it was that easy. This is something that you can do at home very easily. Regular maintenance check, and you save yourself a lot of money and wear and tear on your clutch. It'll shift easier and better, and for a great smoother ride. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to see other videos like this. Thanks very much, and have a great day.